All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. Now, people, we have two players to talk about, Liam Moore and also Michail Antonio. Great news on both sides of things, despite Liam Moore's injury, but we have good news. Now, what I want to do, guys, I'm going to show you guys the vivid image of the Liam Moore's ankle breaker, literal ankle breaker, people. I will show you guys the image. Hopefully, YouTube don't pressure me for that, but I'll show the image. It's quite bad. It looks bad. It looks bad, but he gives positive. He gave a positive message on his Instagram post, but I'm going to show it to you guys. So, guys, please remember smash the like button and also subscribe to the Military Guna TV. As you guys know, I want to hit 8K. I want to hit 8K, people. Definitely. I would love to hit 10K before the year finish. I want to hit 10K before the year finish. Let's hope for that. So, people, getting straight into the details, I won't waste any time. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is actually the injury. I'm going to show you guys the Liam Moore tackle. So look at that, people. Guys, look at that. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to have a look and tell me what you think about it. You can go in the comment section right now and tell me what do you think specifically about that tackle. What is it about that tackle that if you have ever been in a situation like that and have received a tackle like that? Now, first of all, for me, that's a straight red. That is the first thing. That's a straight red. Now, he went in for the ball and he slid. But at the same sense, you have both studs showing people. That's a two-footed tackle. That is a two-footed tackle. That's very, very aggressive. That's literally a couple match ban. That is a couple match ban, people. From me, in Jamaica, like the idea that they use the term tackle boy, bust him lace. Yeah, literally, that is what happened. Liam Moore got his lace bust. And you guys know that Liam Moore is a very aggressive tackler. And now the tables have turned, actually. So hopefully, as I said, people, he's quite encouraged and he's not phased about that tackle. Let me move away that and show you his positive words that he used to back what's happening right now. And he's, as I said, the mere fact that he's positive means good thing for us, which means that he's likely to come back quicker than we think or sooner than possible. It's taking long. I don't know why. So as you guys can see, yes, it's hot now. He has positive words that he posts on his Instagram. Sometimes things don't go how you want them to. It's frustrating and hurts. But one thing for sure, you have to be positive and relentless and resilient in this game. So, and he said, counting my blessings, my injury isn't as bad as it could have been. Just another bump in the road. Get back soon. And you can see there, he's quite disappointed. He's really, really disappointed. I believe, definitely disappointed. And as I said, speedy recovery, Liam Moore. Speedy recovery. Now let's move away from Liam Moore. Hopefully, guys, as I know, guys, tell me, please go in the comment section and tell me what you think about that tackle. Tell me I need to know what you guys think about that tackle. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to move away from Liam Moore and go to Michail Antonio. Superb performance from Michail Antonio yesterday. Superb performance in the Europa League. Now, it's been a while since West Ham has been in the Europa League. And who else to turn up for West Ham Football Club in the time like this? So the tweet says a motivated performance from the Reggae Boy, Michail Antonio, and West Ham as they defeated Dynamo Zagreb 2 goals away. Why is it Zagreb? Let me check something. I'm not sure. Yes, it's Zagreb. 2 goals away on Croatian soil. Also scoring West Ham's first goal in Europa League since 1999, excluding qualifiers game. Here is Mickey game by number. Well, Michail Antonio. This is his game by number, people. This is his game by number. All right, so basically, As I said, man of the match performance. He played 83 minutes. Yeah, he came off to get the standing ovation, got this standing ovation, which is quite good. He had one goal, shots on target one. He had two dribble attempted, complete them at 100%. He had 35 touches. He accumulated 18. He attempted 18 passes, completed 16 of those. So he finished the game with an 89 passing percentile. Made three key passes as well. So he's definitely not only scoring, he's actually creating. He's actually creating. Um, he attempted one cross, but he didn't. It was not completed. No, this is his main area: duels. He encountered in 6 ground duels and he won all 6 of them. He also encountered in 5 aerial duels and he didn't win any, surprisingly. But the defenders, the Croatian defenders, those guys from Dynamo were huge, really, really huge. He lost possession 11 times, which is significantly low for a striker. And he was fouled once and he made 3 tackles. Now, one thing I do realize is this: Michail Antonio plays by himself. He plays by himself. You get the best out of Michail Antonio when he's playing by himself. That is how he operates. And that shows that maybe we have been mismanaging Michail Antonio. That possibly could be a thing. We have been mismanaging Michail Antonio. Now, it is imperative for us to get it right and understand the type of players that we have. He played alongside a partner, but what happened is that the partner that he had did not interfere in his area, in his zone. He was a lone man up front, tussling and fighting defenders, utilizing his skill set. No, so maybe going forward, this is something that we have to look at. We have to analyze these games. Ooh, camera. We have to analyze these games, people, and I don't know why the camera went away. We have to analyze these games, people, and identify that my camera is giving me problem. Identify which system suits the players that we have and how we can definitely get the best out of each one of these players. No, but in all aspects, people, it was a good performance for Michail Antonio, man of the match performance in his first European League game for West Ham, which goes to show that he's definitely their marquee player. Everyone knows that. But same sense, people, I'm their talisman, back on the score sheet again, as expected, and also a win for the West Ham Football Club, and definitely, hopefully, Liam Moore, speedy recovery from Liam Moore. As he said, he sends out a positive message. He sends out a positive message to all of the fans, and hopefully everything works out pretty much good for him, definitely. So, people, go in the comment section. Tell me what you think about that Michail Antonio's performance. Also, what you believe. How quick do you think Liam Moore will come back? And also, what do you think about that tackle that was on Liam Moore? Thank you very much, people, for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, guys. I didn't even know you have so much football fanatics like myself. I know most of you guys don't even like the statistical aspect of the game, but guess what? He had a good game, and I'm bringing you guys the numbers to match that tally. If you guys watch the game, you'd realize how he was working extremely hard. And I bring you the numbers to match his tally. That's what I'm going to do. So, people, please remember, smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button as well. I would totally appreciate it. If you can share that video, someone somewhere will get it who needs it. So share it as well. Thank you, guys. Enjoyed it. Have a very, very good one, people. Stay safe. Military Guna TV.